Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Let's just say I'm curious by nature. The DJI Wireless Mic. This is the competitor to the RODE Wireless Go 2. One of the big differences is that they actually care about customers, and you can have a much more dignified unboxing experience. Look at that. Look at that. Oops. The reason why you might go for the DJI over the Wireless Go 2 is that it comes with a lovely, handy charging cable. And as you open it, it lights up. That's weird. So this is basically the receiver, and you get the two microphones. But you also get these adapters. One lightning adapter and one USB-C. This means that you can plug these into your phone, which is nice. Oh look, a carrying pouch full of the usual stuff, and also more cables, and of course the all-important wind muffs. Now the thing that worries me is that these are already on. Hold it for 2 seconds and it turns off, and the receiver. These two also vibrate when they turn off, which is a nice touch. And this is for the hot shoe mount. Okay, so how does this work? Safety guidelines, quick start guide. This is what we want. So this is the microphone, I think. Here you get the magnets included. You don't get that with the Wireless Go 2. That's a really nice touch. This thing confuses me though. It feels so tiny and it feels like it's gonna break. Hang on, do you just... Nope. Ah. So I was technically right. So the DJI logo is supposed to be on top, and you push this in. Does it only go so far? Okay, so light violence is required. And then you slide it on to the camera. Cool. So let's run a test using the standard DJI mic. And then in another video, we'll just do different mic tests and see how this compares to the RODE Wireless Go. But before we do that, let me just show you the setup. This thing goes in the hot shoe, and then you have the cable that runs into the microphone input. And you turn this on and it pairs automatically, as you can see here. And then you should be ready to go. Further reasons why you might want to choose this instead of the RODE Wireless Go 2 is that it has a headphone jack and a very involved menu system where you can set the decibels for the receiver and the transmitters just by the flick of a finger. So I'm going to try different settings with the Sony ZV-1, and the camera will be set at audio record level 1. See how that goes. I now have it attached to my lapel. I think this is a little bit too low. I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was sleeping. She lied, she lied. Why oh why is my cat dead? Couldn't that Chrysler have hit me instead? I've now increased the gain from the transmitter to 5 decibels. I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was sleeping. She lied, she lied. Why oh why is my cat dead? Couldn't that Chrysler have hit me instead? Now I've increased the receiver gain to plus 3 decibels and the same level of decibel for the transmitter. I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was sleeping. She lied, she lied. Why oh why is my cat dead? Couldn't that Chrysler have hit me instead?
Now I've increased the transmitter decibel to +7, and the same for the receiver. You can hear some background noise, and you could do that previously too. So here goes. I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was sleeping. She lied, she lied. Why oh why is my cat dead? Couldn't that Chrysler have hit me instead? Now I've increased the receiver gain to +7 too. These levels look a little bit more natural. I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was blah blah blah. Something. She died. And Mom lied. Why is the cat dead? Why couldn't the Chrysler have hit me? I miss my cat.
So anyway, that was a bit of a test. I think there will be some fine-tuning needed, but that was unprocessed. So there's more testing to do and very, very little time. See you next time.